Hello, here's Christine from Chris by Bike. And on today's video, I'm going to talk about my Titanium Seatpost. Yes, I've received a lot of questions about suspension seatpost. And sadly, I can't help you with that because I never used one. So I don't know much about it, but I did a video about 5 things they can make, just adjust or just upgrade in your Brompton to have a better ride, a comfy ride. So then I got a lot of questions about my Titanium Seatpost. So I decided to make a video about the Titanium Seatpost. I have my seatpost, my Titanium Seatpost, for over a year, and has a lot of scratches on it. I don't know if it's the brand, or because it's black, but even with all the scratches, I would do this upgrade, and I'm gonna tell you why. I'll give you 3 great reasons for it. Well, before I give you my reasons, let me tell you about a titanium. And also absorbs the depredations. So the little, it absorbs, so it gives you more comfort. For me, the first reason, I know it probably won't work for you, probably won't be a good reason for you, but for me, it doesn't get rusty. I know, check it out. Yes, that was my seatpost, and it was all rusty. So when it went down and up, oh, it's terrible. No, it's perfect. It goes down and up, perfect. I know there's some scratches on it, but it works marvelous. So the first reason, and I think it's a very important one, is that it doesn't get rusty. Well, my seatpost, it's from AliExpress. I have it for over a year and it's working perfect. I really like it. It's almost 150 grams lighter than original Brompton seatpost, and that's the second reason. So it's much lighter, it does the same thing, plus it breaks a little bit the I really like it. I know, not much about it, but well, before I do any videos for you guys, I always research to know a little bit more about it. And I realized that you can buy a titanium seatpost for Brompton in any Brompton bike store. It's amazing, check it out. So many places that you can buy one. I would have to test them to see which one is better. So the only one I can talk about it's mine. I'm so sorry. I wish I have a big store so I can test a lot of things for you guys. Oh, that would be so cool. So I was researching and I noticed that there are 2 seatpost size. Mine is 535, but usually it's 530. And there's a 600. That's 6 inches higher, if you're a taller person. So you get this 600. It's a little bit higher than the 535 or 530. But they're the same one. And then there are a telescopic one. Then if you are really tall, In the road bike, we usually do a bike fit, so you can be fit for your bike. Actually, you fit the bike for you, right? One of the things that we do is the height on seatpost and handlebar. And that's another request for another video. All the 4 types of handlebars. I'll tell you about it. The first reason, rust. The second one is because it's much lighter and stronger. And the third one is, well, the third reason is comfort. Yes, because all the little, it stops, it breaks, so it doesn't go all the way up to your body. So I do recommend, and so easy to use. Check it out. Goes down and up, and it's so easy to use. It's just like the original Brompton Seatpost, but with no rust. I know. It's just that when you have a rusty Seatpost, oh, it's so terrible. Oh, a tip for you. If you're having trouble pulling up, just grab your back wheel and put it up. Because so sometimes the stop disc stops the Seatpost from going up. Okay, let's sum it up. The 3 reasons that you might want to buy a titanium seat post are: first, the rust. And for me, that's, if there was only this reason, I would do it. The second one, is lighter. It's good to have a lighter bike. I wish my Brompton was below 10 kilos, so it'll be very, very easy to take with me inside of the airplane. Because most of the airlines, they tell you that the heavier that your carry-on bag should be, it's 10 kilos. And it does, and our Brompton does fit on the headband. It's so cool. But sometimes they say, no, like mine is 12 kilos, so I couldn't take it. Just some airlines doesn't say the weight limit, so you can take it. And the third reason is because it gives you more comfort. The ride gets more comfort. In my case, it did get all scratches, a lot of little scratches. You can see it, you know. Now it's not black anymore. It's kind of black gray. It's kind of different look, but it's still working perfect. And if you wonder, the Titanium Seatpost has the same design as the Brompton Seatpost. I know that there's some other titaniums that have different designs, but most of them has the same design. So you just use the same panty clip, everything's the same. Doesn't have to change the plastic sleeve that's inside. The height stays the same. I just took one out and I put one in and everything was perfect. So I do recommend. I really like mine. Even with the scratches, I do like mine. If you want it, there's a link to the Seatpost that I bought in AliExpress on the video description. That's so hard. Some words are so hard. Just because sometimes I don't practice too much, you know, just talking with you guys. So I hope you did like it. I love my titanium Seatpost. Actually, I would love to have a whole titanium Brompton. Yeah, I can't. And they don't make with the 6 gears. Maybe someday. I hope they make it. Brompton, please, please, please make a titanium bike with 6 or 14 gears. Be perfect. Oh, hope you like it. If you did like it, thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please, please do be part of it. If you have any questions, you have any tips, please put on the comments. Bye-bye.